Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to crop video on KineMaster. So let's start. First open the KineMaster app. On the left hand side you will see three buttons. Tap on the middle one to start a new project. And then select an aspect ratio. Now select a video from your gallery. And the video will automatically be imported to your timeline. Now tap on the video and the video will be selected. Now to crop the video, all you have to do is tap and hold on the edge. And then move as you like. And the video will be cropped. You can also do it from the other end. And that's how you can crop video on KineMaster. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.